Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a gift card from your Amazon account in 2024. So if you have added a gift card to your account but want to remove it, stick around because we are going to walk you through the steps. I'm going to use website today, but you can also use your app because the methods are pretty similar. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to amazon.com. Log into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you have logged in, click on your profile. Then scroll all the way down till you see all account. Again, scroll down to the payment sections and click on your payments. Here you'll see a list of all your active gift cards. I don't have any gift cards, so you'll see none. But if you have, you'll see all the gift cards. To remove a gift card, simply click on the Manage Gift Card link next to the one you want to delete. Now click on the delete button. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm whether you want to remove the gift card or not. Just hit confirm and you are done. Now an important note. Deleting a gift card does not cancel the balance or affect your account in any way. It just removes it from your list of saved cards. And if you have a gift card balance remaining, you won't lose that either. The balance will be still there, but you won't be able to use the gift card directly without adding it back to your account if you need it. And that's it. You have learned how to delete a gift card from your Amazon account in 2024. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.